Maayong gabi sa tanan, nagpalipayon na pag-abot sa mga panapa. Ako si Giselle Marie Andresolo, kagako ang inyong giya sa mga adlaw sa pag-ibon ng mapasista sa mga sekreto kapkatahong sa sininabuhi. To proceed to our tour for today, let me just remind you of the three letters. The B-L-H. B, builder. Stay away from the edges and much vegetated areas. L, littering is bad. Let's protect our mother nature. Be responsible of our trash and please clean as you go. Lastly, the letter H. Health is important. As soon as you feel thirsty, do not forget to drink your water. And if you are not feeling well, I have here the medicine kit, so please don't hesitate to raise any of your concerns and please avoid playing around. Kung klaro na ang tanan, kagawa na sa pamangkot, umpisahan na natin ang pagtaklan. Mount Manapat is